What is so special about August 10th? We are going to launch Money Mastermind. Money Mastermind is one of the most powerful program we ever launched in Brain City. My name is Faisal Ibrahim, founder of Brain City, and here we have Fazlur Rahman. First, what is Money Mastermind?
Well, like you rightly said, Money Mastermind is one of the most powerful program that we have ever designed, and we are going to launch it on 10th of August. Now, what is so special about this particular program? This program is embedded with technologies and techniques that can transform people's belief about money.
Beautiful.
Right?
Belief about money.
Yeah. And this is a 21-day program with 4 major sessions, which is mandatory to attend to get the maximum value. And then we have 17 optional sessions.
Okay.
Right? It's highly recommended to attend, but it's optional, where we do hypnosis to change the belief about money.
Okay.
And the best part is, we're going to play something called prosperity game. It's going to be real fun, and you're going to transform your relationship with money and create abundance in life. So that's Money Mastermind is all about.
4 major sessions. It's going to be weekly. Then every day there is a follow-up sessions for 21 days.
Yep.
So friends, Money Mastermind. Do you want to change and transform the relationship with money? This is an opportunity for you to be with us. We are starting on the 10th of August. Money Mastermind from Brain City. Thank you. Thank you, Fazlur.
Thank you.